How to download and install GameLoop on PC. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's video, I will simply guide you how you can actually download and install GameLoop on your PC. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now basically, GameLoop is just another Android emulator just like MimiPlay, Node or even BlueStacks. You can just go to gameloop.com and click on the download icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then once you click on the download icon, it'll ask you for a confirmation. So just click on the start download button over here. So once you click on start download, our download has basically complete. So we're going to just click on the open button in this case. So once you click on the open button here, it'll ask you to verify. Just click on yes over here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to move on to the installation process, right? So just click on install. Now in this case, you can choose a folder where you want to actually install. So just make sure to choose a drive where you have enough storage, because if you don't have enough storage, you could be facing some kind of issues. And then click on install, and now you can say downloading GameLoop, this much percent complete. Make sure you are connected to the internet, and after the download process is complete, I'm going to simply come back. So you can see after the downloading and installing process, you'll see this kind of interface. All you have to do is just click on the start button now. Now basically, when you click on the start button, the GameLoop is going to be opened up, and then you'll be able to successfully use Android apps on your PC. This is how you can download GameLoop for PC. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.